Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock PLS International. Currently, I have found a swing trade idea in the stock. Let us discuss the swing trade in this video. So the stock in the weekly basis and monthly basis is very bullish. So let's analyze the chart on technical basis. Let me draw the major resistance areas for this stock. So this area can be considered as the most important confluence area in the stock because the stock reacted to this price for many times. For almost 5 times it reacted to the same price. The rejection was very cruel here, so it can be taken as most important resistance level. So this can be taken as the major region of resistance. So the stock has crossed the price range. The stock is now ready to go long. So let's analyze the chart on weekly basis. In weekly basis, the chart looks very good because look at the resistance acting here. The stock tried to move higher the price range of 130, but the rejection was made here. Then the stock fell to the price range of 71. Let me use the Fibonacci to analyze the level here. So this is almost 0.5 retracement level, so it's a good retracement and the stock is now ready to go long. And after August the stock took a retracement and once again it tried to move higher the 120 price range, and once again it failed and came to the price range of nearly 79. It's almost same as much as shown before, and the stock then took a momentum slowly, and this time it's really different because look at the volume here. The volume is increased gradually and the volume is very huge, so this is good sign for going long. And currently the stock has also shows and currently the stock also shows a pattern called inverted head and shoulder. So this can be considered as an inverted head and shoulder pattern. So usually the pattern's target is the dip of the head. So this dip can be taken as the target for the stock. Now let's analyze the stock on daily chart. Before entering daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications immediately. And feel free to comment below and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. So now let's move to the daily chart. Look at the yellow line here. This is the daily chart. The yellow line shows a 200-day moving exponential moving average. So the exponential moving average was not at all showing weakness. So this is good to go long in the stock. And look at the volumes here. The volumes plus the candles shows a huge bullishness. And let me erase all these noises. So let me draw the major resistance on the near term basis. So this can be taken as the major resistance for the near term basis. And look at the price action. The stock tried to move up but it failed. Once again it tried to move up but again it failed, and once again it tried to move up, again it failed. But this time it gave a huge breakout with huge volume. The most highest volume is at the breakout level, and after a small consolidation here for more than a week, the stock once again took its momentum on upper side, and the sellers are very less and the volume is huge. So this can be taken as the good upside momentum candle, but there is no follow up on upside, so it's quite weakness. So some weakness is shown here and the volume is also quite good. So one should go long only if the stock moves above the price range of 150. 150 can be taken as the entry for the stock. So let's analyze the price target using the Fibonacci extension tool. Let me take this as swing low and this as the swing high and this as the retracement area. So one can expect the price range of 226 as the target for the stock. So now let's analyze how much the dip of the inverted head and shoulder shows. So now let's see how much the dip of the head and shoulders shows as a target. So it's almost same level but a quite below than the fib extensions target, but one can take target as 200 range, The entry is above 150 range and expected profit is around 200 range, which is almost a 40% upside. So this is a good stock with good fundamentals, so one can go long in this stock, and it's absolutely good to go long because look at the candle here. The candle has good bullish volume. It's with a good bullish candle with good bullish volume, and the buyers are ready to buy at any price. So it's good to go long in this stock and take a target of 200 as a near term target and take entry above the price range of 150. So that's all for today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching our videos.